Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Raha's Art. Today I will paint with a new technique. I hope you all will like the full video. Please watch full video and please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more beautiful painting. It really motivates me. I will tell a story today. In the small town of Beaufort, North Carolina, a young man named Landon Carter had just finished high school. He had spent his teenage years getting in trouble and was eager to move on from his small town and start his life anew. But then something unexpected happened. Landon met Jamie Sullivan, a girl who changed his life forever. Jamie was a shy, kind-hearted girl whose faith and wisdom deeply impacted Landon. She was the daughter of the town's Baptist minister and had accepted her responsibility to help the less fortunate. She was determined to make a difference, and slowly Landon began to understand her passionate motivation. At first, Landon was skeptical of Jamie's intentions, but he soon began to appreciate her steadfast commitments, and eventually, their friendship blossomed into a romantic relationship. He promised her to always keep his promises and vowed never to break her heart. Together, they decided to take a special walk to remember their relationship. They took a stroll along the riverbank, discussing life and love, and enjoying the beauty of nature surrounding them. The walk was a special moment in Landon and Jamie's relationship that neither one of them ever forgot. It was the moment that changed Landon's life forever and began his journey towards a fulfilling and meaningful life. Close with a voiceover narration. Landon and Jamie's walk to remember was one of the most special moments of Landon's life, and it showed him how beautiful and powerful a single act of kindness can be. May we all find the courage to take a walk to remember, and the wisdom to remember the importance of keeping our promises. End of the story. Do let me know in the comments section if you like my painting or want to give me any suggestion. Please subscribe and like, share, comment. Have a nice day. See you in my next video.